to my YouTube channel. Today I am in a boat, well not in a boat, in a car like which goes in the sea. You might have seen it in the sea, and look at it, and look at it.
And I'll ask you once we get on the other side of this sandbank. Now back on the 23rd of May 1770, Captain James Cook came ashore now with a couple of his crew. While they were here, just opposite the marina, they gathered water.
Here's a fun fact.
Yeah, they shot and killed a bustard bird. Now, a bustard bird's a bit smaller than a gill. So they shot and killed this bird, picked it up that night, and it was the best bird they'd had since they left it on top of 5 or 6
There's
months.
some boats and stuff.
There's the side we call this whole area bustard bird. So that's where the name bustard bird comes from the bustard bird. And Agnes Water, well, she was a cargo ship that left
And it's an Agnes Water.
and she was lost at sea, never to be found again. They got no knowledge of the rescue party for that.
If you've been in Agnes Water,
The sunlight, it actually
make sure to like, subscribe and comment Agnes Water. There's a beach right over there.
Don't be alarmed. Okay, here we go.
Okay, now we're back on the shore and the sand.
The main one, interesting, is actually titanium. So if ever you've had a
Here's
bad
Agnes Water.
this is where they get the material from to make the titanium pins and plates out of this black sand.
And
So back in the 1970s, they wanted to come in here.
I think it's very
There we
sunny.
go. We're going to head up to Riviera National Park again.
Lots of people. With my family friends. And we're gonna go back on that sea.
Dr. Douglas Leader and Sir Joseph Maxwell. Yeah, very well done. Very well done.
This is where Captain Cook landed. The first place he landed.
The shore here, they were the ones that come and gather the water. And while they were here, they gathered 33 different types of plant, soil and fauna to take back to England for testing. So that's who Dr. Douglas Leader and Sir Joseph Maxwell.
Also Captain Cook Monument. Very windy and stuff. That's why you can hear it.
Around when we got up to Kept travelling about